fast track to sculpted abdominal muscles. In the realm of fitness, getting abdominal muscles quickly is a goal coveted by many. With the right approach, it's an achievable goal. In this video, we'll guide you through the process. The journey to quick abs begins with your diet. Consuming a balanced diet with lean proteins, fruits, veggies, and whole grains is essential. It's not about eating less, it's about eating right. Next, make sure you're getting enough cardio. Cardio exercises help in shedding the fat layer that hides your abdominal muscles. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of vigorous cardio each week. While cardio is important, strength training is key for muscle definition. Try exercises that specifically target your abs. This can range from traditional crunches and sit-ups to planks and Russian twists. The next step is crucial: hydration. Drinking plenty of water not only helps in digestion but also enhances muscle definition. It's recommended to drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Getting a good night's sleep is often overlooked. However, it's during sleep that your muscles repair and grow. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night to support your muscle building efforts. Remember, consistency is the key. You might not see results immediately, but don't get disheartened. Keep up with your diet, exercise, hydration, and sleep routine. On the topic of consistency, make sure you're steadily increasing the intensity of your workouts. As your body adapts, you need to challenge it further to continue seeing progress. Using the correct form during exercises is equally important. Incorrect form can lead to injuries and it won't effectively target your abs. If you're unsure, consider seeking professional guidance. While pursuing your goal, be patient with your body. Remember, everyone's body is different and will respond differently to diet and exercise. It's about progress, not perfection. Lastly, keep track of your progress. Use a fitness journal or app to record your diet and exercise habits. This will help you identify what's working and what needs to be adjusted. In conclusion, getting abdominal muscles quickly is not an impossible task. With the right balance of diet, exercise, hydration, and sleep, you're on your way to achieving those coveted abs. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and stay fit.